Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put money on Revolut card. Let's get started. To put money on your Revolut card, which includes your virtual card, the process is very straightforward because you don't fund the card directly. Instead, you add money to your main Revolut account balance, and all your cards automatically access this central balance. There's no need for a separate transfer to the card itself. Here's exactly how to do it, step by step. First, open the Revolut app on your phone and log into your account. On the main screen of the app, look for and tap the option that says Add Money. This is the primary function for topping up your overall account funds. When you tap Add Money, you will see the available funding methods. You are able to add funds using one of three main options. You can use a linked bank account that you have already set up with Revolut. You can use Apple Pay or Google Pay for a quick transaction, or you can use a debit or credit card that you have on file. Select your preferred payment method. If you are using a card, you may need to confirm the details or enter a security code. Then, enter the amount of money you wish to add to your Revolut account. Confirm the transaction using your phone's security feature, like Face ID, Touch ID, or a PIN. Once the top-up is complete and your Revolut account is funded, your money is ready to use. Your virtual card is automatically ready to use at this point, as it directly accesses your main Revolut account balance. The same is true for any physical Revolut card you have. There is no separate step needed to move money onto the card. And that is the complete process for how you add money to a virtual card on Revolut. You simply top up your main account, and the card uses those funds instantly.